Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, April the 24th, 2021. Today we have no newspaper on Sunday, so I will continue with the rest of the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. Yes, in the additional. Yes. All right. Third puzzle, binary puzzle, and this will be a number 2692. Yes, 2692. All right. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right, so let's get started. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Oh, right. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then double one, here an O, then O. Then. 1, 2, wait. We have 3 ones in this column, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. All right. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. All right. Here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Double one here, no there, no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. All right. Then, let me see. 4, 1, 2, 3. No. I need to compare. All right. Need to compare. All right. I cannot compare this column because I don't have double one here. How about 101? 101. The first row and this row. Let me compare 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright, now we have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. We have here now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, between two 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's, double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, only once I have compared, so not so difficult. If I can solve it, you can solve it. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. No, it's a tectonic one. Tectonic puzzle with 1 star. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.